Hi, I am Nazrul here. Today we will discuss about introduction to AWS CloudWatch. What is CloudWatch? CloudWatch provide you with data and actionable insights to monitor your applications, to respond to system-wide performance change, to optimize resource utilizations, and to get a unified view of operational health of your infrastructure. CloudWatch collects and monitors operational data in the forms of logs, metrics, and events. It's provide with a unified view of resources, applications, and services that runs on AWS and on-premises servers. We'll see what is the CloudWatch agent. CloudWatch agent to provide the unified CloudWatch agent enable you to collect more system level metrics from Amazon EC2 instance across operating system, collect logs from Amazon EC2 instance and on-premises server running either Linux or Windows server. To configure and deploy the CloudWatch agent and collect the metrics log and provide the measurable actionable data about system performance, we need to deploy CloudWatch agent. For that we need to configure the CloudWatch. Some step is there to installing and configuring the CloudWatch agent. To configure the CloudWatch agent, we need to follow the process. We need to log into our AWS console. Then we need to create a role in our IAM, identity and access management controls, and we need to ensure that instances are being managed by AWS. Okay, first we'll go for IAM console and create a role. IAM, identity and access management. Then we'll be creating a role. Okay, we'll be creating a role. Okay, create a role. Choose the service that will be used in this role. We will be using EC2 service for installing and configuring CloudWatch agent on the EC2 instance. Go to permission. We need to attach 3 policies within this role. Number one is the AWS Amazon EC2 role SSM. We'll search SSM. Yeah, this is the AWS Amazon EC2 role SSM. Simple service management, simple system management. Then we need to add one more role, CloudWatch agent admin policy and CloudWatch agent server policy. We'll search for agent. CloudWatch agent admin policy, and we need to select CloudWatch agent server policy. Go to next tag. It is an optional, I am not going to tag it. Next preview. I need to give a name of this policy. Give name CLOUD, Cloud CloudWatch agent role. AWS EC2 instance to call AWS services on your behalf. That is why we are creating this role, and we have attached three policies along with this role to run in our instances. Okay, create role. CloudWatch as in a role is being created. Now, once the create role, that ensure that your system will be managed by system manager. We need to create one EC2, or we can attach this role within our existing EC2. It may be your Linux machine or it may be your Windows machine. Okay, we will be creating one new EC2 and we will be attaching this role with that CloudWatch agent role. Let's go to EC2 console. Instances, launch instances. The process is same for your Linux or Windows environment. For applying your CloudWatch agent, I'll go for a Windows instance now. Okay, we'll select Windows Server 2019 base. Go for choose a instance type. I need to select general purpose T2 micro because I am using free tier subscription. Here everything is default. I need to attach that role which I have created, CloudWatch agent role. Go next. Tagging is not required for me now. Security group. By default Windows machine RDP is enable 3389. I want to test for HTTP log file, that's why I will be enable IIS role. I need to enable HTTP service in my instance. Review, launch. I need to have a key pair for taking RDP. CloudWatch. CloudWatch agent is my key pair name. Download key pair, launch the instances. Instances is being created. View the instances. It is initializing. It will take some time to create. We need to take remote of that machine and we need to see in that remote server my CloudWatch agent is installed in a proper folder or not. That should be that file location or folder location should be in C drive, program file, Amazon. Inside that CloudWatch agent folder should be located. If it is not there, then we need to configure in our system manager and manage instances, and we will attach the Amazon CloudWatch agent file from my console and we will need to push it to my server. Before that, for checking our log, we need to will be enabling the IIS service in my EC2 instance Windows server, and we'll browse that IIS default page. It will create some log file. That log file by default we can see in from my EC2 instance Windows machine. We After creating CloudWatch agent, that log file should be visible to our CloudWatch console also. We'll give a name of this EC2 is a Windows server. Still it is a pending. Next step will be our Amazon Cloud Agent configuration to my remote server. Then we'll be check that Cloud Agent is installed in my cloud server or not. It is taking some more time. I need to refresh it. Let's see. Instance is launching. It took longer time. I will be pausing the slide. Yes, now my EC2 install. Now I'll take remote of that machine, connect. Before that I need to get the password. Yeah, my CloudWatch agent is the PM file. I'll choose that file to get my password. Open, decrypt the file. I'll copy the password, download RDP. We'll connect to the EC2 instance, that is Windows machine. Paste my password. Okay. Yes. I logged into EC2 instance. I want to see CloudWatch agent file is intact, it is created or not created. We'll go to C drive, program file, Amazon, CloudWatch is not there. In the meantime, I'll enable here my server manager role, IAS role service in this server. It is installing. Windows Firewall I will be disabling for some time. To run my ISS web page. I will be turning off the firewall. Okay. Okay. Then I will go for adding the role. Yes. 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 Select the role of web server IAS. Add features. Next. Next. Hit next. Hit next. Then install the feature. It is being installed. Now go back to my management console and I need to see the manage instance. Close. System manager. Manage instances. This is the instance we have created. Now go to action, run command. We need to select a package called AWS configure AWS package. AWS configure AWS package. Select it. Then type the name of the package to install. It is type the name of the package to be installed. Amazon CloudWatch agent AMAZ none see CloudWatch agent. Next select to your instance where we will be deploying. My target instance is Windows Server 1. Then run the command. Refresh it. Yeah, it is command is running successfully. Step 1, successfully install AWS package AWS Cloud Agent in your remote desktop machine. Now you log into your remote machine. IIS is already installed. Yeah, if you navigate to your folder program file Amazon, you can see your Amazon CloudWatch agent is installed here. Now we need to run this wizard in your command prompt in this server. Copy this location, copy, open command prompt, run as administrator. Then go to that required location cd. Yeah, now you are in program file. See, you need to run that file wizard. We need to run in that prompt. Copy it, come here, paste it, run that wizard. It is successfully running. We need to check and install it properly. Keep default, default, default. Then default log file we need to monitor. Default CloudWatch agent log file we need to monitor. Okay, we'll give the log file address. Because we are selecting the log file, we'll go our log file for WISS. We need to see that log file. Where is the location? C drive, inetpub, logs. There is no log file. Nobody has access that ISS server. I'll try to look on that server. Yes, this is my default page. I have logged in that I have accessed that server. Log file is created. Inside the log file, all the logs should be there. This is the log. If I go out of this EC2 instance, I can go to my EC2 instance and I can access that file from outside. Go to my instance, select the instance, copy the public DNS, paste it here and go. The same file it will be showing here. If I go to my remote, if I refresh some more log file, it will be created here. Yeah, it is, all the log file is there. I need to copy that log file location. I need to paste it in my default file choice. Copy it. We'll be giving the choice 1. Default file choice slash star.log. Okay, it's not happened properly. I need to run it again. Amazon CloudWatch. Copy. Command run as administrator. CD. Then run that wizard application file. Copy. Enter. Default. 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 default, 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 select standard method, default. Are you satisfied with the above? Yeah. Okay. Do you monitor customize log file? Yes. Yes. Then I need to keep the log file path which I need to monitor. Where is that file path I need to collect? Copy that location. Slash star dot log. Then we need to give the file name. It should be default choice. I need to give a name. IIS log is the file name. IIS log. Okay. Yes, default. Additional file name. I don't want. No. Do you want additional file name? No. Windows log file you want to monitor? Yeah. Win log is the name. Default. This also default. 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 Critical level of Windows event log. Okay. CloudWatch log. Yes. Want to specify additional Windows log to monitor? Yes. System log file. Then no. Select no. Now it is completed. I want to say Amazon CloudWatch Windows is the default file choice name. Amazon CloudWatch Windows. and default choice of region is east US 2. Enter. Yeah, successfully booting. Progress exit. Now it is done. Now we need to go to my console. Once the configuration completed, the store in a system store primary store file, and it will be the default storage. The configuration will be uploaded in system parameter store. Navigate to system parameter. System monitor, then parameter store. Cloud Amazon CloudWatch Windows is the instance. We need to check if it is properly configured or not. We can amend it here also. Now we will go for manage instance. This is our instance. We'll go for action, run command. Then we'll search for Amazon CloudWatch Management. Amazon CloudWatch Manage Agent. MANAGE. It is not there. CloudWatch Manage Agent. Amazon AMAZ. Not there. Manage Agent. Amazon CloudWatch. Yeah, it is Amazon CloudWatch Manage Agent. I need to select. Then we need to go for a configuration location file. Type the name of configuration file. We created Amazon CloudWatch window. Amazon CloudWatch in Windows. Then target, choose our EC2 target Windows machine, then run command. It is in progress. It is failed. Okay, we'll do it again one more time. Manage instances. This is my instance. Action, run command. Amazon CloudWatch manage window. AMA. Amazon Cloud was agent. Name is Amazon CloudWatch Windows is the name here. Amazon CloudWatch Windows, WINDOWS. Amazon Cloud Watch. Amazon CloudWatch Windows. Then go for target instance. Then run the command. Yeah, it is successfully created now. Step execution skip due to the completion error. Okay, not. I'll go for step 1. Configuration validation first phase succeed. Configuration validate second phase succeeds. Configuration validation succeed. Now we'll go for our CloudWatch console. Everything we did successfully. We'll go for CloudWatch console. This is my CloudWatch. We'll check our log file. Log groove. We created a log. Yeah, IIS log is there. System log is there. We'll check my IIS log. Log file is showing here. All the logs are there. Whatever we have increases, then we'll go for log groove. System log. Whatever is happening in that machine, it is captured here. Then we'll go for matrix EC2 matrix. We'll see our EC2. Where is my EC2 ID? I'll check my EC2 console, my present instances. This is my ID 8B1E. I'll copy this, go to my CloudWatch, matrix EC2, search for this EC2 console. A matrix also it is showing here. That means my agent is working fine. CloudWatch agent. This video is successfully created. It is working fine in my CloudWatch scenario. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.